Our data source, it can be Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2. So these are the different data sources we are trying to migrate. Tell me, how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Tell me how we are trying to communicate with the Snowflake.
SQL.
So by using SQL, by using SQL, we are trying to communicate. Okay, go to the pointer. So SQL. Okay. So again, SQL is nothing but a structured query language. Okay, got the pointer. See, so structured query language is now again divided into, okay, so DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DQL, and DCL. So these are important. This is called as what? SQL commands or statements. Then SQL commands or statements. Okay, or basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, so these are important. Okay, see. So again, these are divided into DDL, that is data definition language. Okay, so same thing, data. We'll see, we'll come to this thing, manipulation language. So, and it is also transaction
Control language.
control language. Okay, same thing, data retrieval. Okay, so retrieval or query language. Okay, so DCL, data control language. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, now what happens? So before that, we should understand daily we'll have the Scrum call will be there, the Scrum Master. Okay, so Scrum Masters will be available, and who will participate in the Scrum call? Okay, all the team members. Okay, tell me who are the team members in a project. Tell me who are the team members will be available in a project. Be tell me development team. Okay, so development team, admin team, then testing team, so BI people and BA people, so business intelligence and business analyst guys. So development, Snowflake developer, admin guy, testing team, these are the things will be there. Okay, and how long the Scrum call will be there? How long the Scrum call will be there?
30 minutes.
So 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, mostly listening. Okay, so same thing. Okay, what exactly we'll do in the Scrum call? What exactly we'll do? Scrum call or status call? Okay, so we'll give our updates to all the team members. Okay. Now question is that how the work will come to us in real-time project? How the work will come to us? Through ticketing tool. So ticketing tool is mostly like what? Mostly like Jira. So Jira. Okay, so through Jira, the user stories will be assigned, and we are trying to work on the user stories. Okay, so this is fine. And we'll work in the, so before that, what are databases instances we are having in the thing we are having? So development, so testing, UAT, SIT, pre-prod, then
Prod.
Okay, that's it, prod and sandbox. Like different will have the different things. Okay, sandbox will be there sometimes. Okay, we can say simply, so development, testing, and prod. Okay, now tell me, suppose like a Jira assign or which instance we are trying to work? We are trying to work in which instance?
Development.
So development. So the development we are trying to work. So development. So development instance. So we're working. Okay. So the remaining are these are the testing instance, and this is the live data. Okay. See. So we'll work most in the development instance. Okay. Now what happened? First we should have one database. Before that, tell me, Snowflake account, do we to install any software or anything?
Not required.
Okay, not required. It's a SaaS model, software as a service. So everything is managed by whom? The Snowflake, the service provider. Just we are trying to create account. So for storage and computation, Snowflake is charging. Okay, so for storage is the cost and the computation cost, Snowflake is getting charged. Okay, Snowflake is giving charge to company. Okay, now what happened? First Snowflake account, one development database, one development schema. Okay, then so table should be created. Okay, now tell me, how can I create all these objects based on which concept?
Snow site.
No, that's fine. Okay, my question is that how to create these objects, database objects with the help of DDL. So DDL, that is data definition language. Okay, that is, so create, alter, drop. So these are the commands available in DDL. Create statement, alter, and drop. Okay, suppose like let me show you one thing. It will work on 1 second. So coding, let's see. Like almost like all the concepts we covered in this use case. Okay. Suppose I'll take that. Okay, no, see, suppose like, okay, simple thing. I want to add a new number. Tell me, suppose like I want to give the basic details. Okay, so Praveen. Okay, so same. And I want to give 2000. Okay, so photo ID. So Aadhaar card number and I given the number. Okay. Now if I add, what will happen? Tell me if I click on add, what will happen? Background.
Data will be stored in database in
Okay, so
tables.
data. So first we should have one Snowflake account. Okay, suppose like see the same thing. So Snowflake account, one database. Okay, suppose for this use case, what I can go for? I can go for so CoWIN DB. Okay, and the CoWIN schema. Okay, so how is the syntax? Okay, so create database, database name. Okay, so database name. So same thing. Control C schema. Schema. Tell me real time who will create this account, Snowflake account, the user ID, password. Okay, and this database, this schemas. Which guy? Which
Admin.
guy? So Snowflake admin will create the same thing. Okay, go back here. So see. So try to open. So one session. So this is the session I try to open. Okay. We can put. Okay, so CoWIN. We can put the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Try to create. So see, control enter is a shortcut. Okay, see. Okay, so control enter. Now how to use by using query? I want to get what is my database name and what is my schema name. Tell me. So select current database. Okay, so these are important. So current database, same thing. Current schema.
Schema.
Okay, so see database schema, it will give the database name and the schema name. Okay, so for like use schema. Okay, same thing. So database and the schema. In this database, in this schema, I want the list of tables. Tell me how to see list of tables.
Show
List of
tables.
show tables. Okay, show tables will give list of tables. Okay, as a no table is there. Now what happened? Okay, I want to capture this data. So this data. Now what happened? Try to create one table. Tell me real time who will create this table? Which guy will create? Snowflake
No
developer.
forget.
We only use. So
Okay.
create table. So okay, so CoWIN registration, something like this. Okay, city, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, now what happened? Now, so name is what data type? It's a alphabets. We'll go for varchar. Okay, so you'll see what is the difference varchar all the same. Okay, name, same thing in a similar fashion. What is gender?
Gender also where.
Varchar only, varchar. So for like, I'll go to something like size. Okay, so same thing. Year of birth is what?
It's integer.
It's an integer or number or anything. Okay, so number anything. Okay, see, suppose like I'm putting something like 2013. This is what date of birth is what format?
Date format.
It's a date format. Okay, see the same thing. So date of birth is date format. Okay, so like this way you should understand. Okay, see, so date format, same thing in a similar fashion. So photo ID proof. Okay, alphabets are there. So it's a varchar. So photo ID varchar. Same thing. So photo ID value. This is what data photo value. Let's say number. So photo
Yes.
number. Suppose like if I change, suppose like I make of PAN card. PAN card will what? It's a combination of alphabets number. It will work. So it won't work. It's a varchar. Got the point? See. So it's a combination of alphabets number. Will go for varchar. Copy the same thing. Okay, so go back here to, so this is snow site US. So remember, so this is snow site, where everything. Okay, this is snow site here. Okay, see control enter. Okay. Now what happened? Show tables will give one entry will be there. Okay, now how to see the data by using what? Data retrieval or data query. That is select statement. Select star from our table. So select star from table name. Okay. So what it is projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, so name data, but suppose like client is asking. So okay, so to add one more column. How can I add one more column?
Alter statement.
Alter.
Okay, tell me. You should go for alter statement. Alter. Okay. Okay, see alter table table name. So suppose I'm putting like this. Add something like column name number. Now tell me it will work. It won't work because no compulsory table should be there. See, so if you want to do anything, no compulsory table should be there. Okay, alter. So table. So table name. Add a column. Now new column will be added at which position? At the last position.
Yes.
Last. Okay. Suppose like I don't want this column anymore. Then again we should make of alter table table name.
Table name,
Okay.
drop
So
column.
drop column column name column. We can able to make it so like this. Got the point? Like this, we can able to make it working. Clear so far? So this is fine. Okay. Any doubts so far? So this is clear. Okay. Now what happens? So this is fine. Suppose like I don't want any more this table, then makes of drop table table name. Okay. So now table is as you know table won't be there. Okay. Got the point. Now see the same thing. So this is important. Now one more time. Now okay, submit yourself. Okay, see, suppose like, so what is varchar? Number is the data type. What is the T here? That is the data size. Okay, now try to explain. So create
Length.
data length or data size. Suppose like I'm putting some value. I make use of ID varchar. We'll see the difference. What is varchar? Varchar to ID1. I make use of varchar to same thing. Something like I char. Same thing like I3. Okay, so string. Say I for text. Okay. Now see what happened. Okay. Now tell me how to see list of tables. Show tables. Same thing. How to see list of columns. List of columns. Show columns.
So columns.
Show columns is the entire database. Okay. Show columns. Okay. See, it is giving entire. See, it's giving all the tables. Okay. So table name TT. Okay. Only one table. So like I'll create one more table. Now see. It is giving all the tables, but I want to see it is giving COVID. Now I want to see only TT. COVID show columns in TT. We can put like this. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now tell me. Okay, it won't work. Okay, see. So it's giving different thing. We'll go for describe table table name. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, see this value. Okay. Now tell me. I make use of. Okay, see I make use of varchar to char string text. What Snowflake is internally converting into? Converting into what? Varchar. So these are the synonyms. So in the sense like what? Snowflake supports varchar to char text string anything. But what happened internally it will convert into varchar. Got the point? So see Snowflake supports. It supports what? Okay, writing for varchar. So varchar to. Okay, see these are the themes. So text. Then string and char. Okay, so Snowflake support all the, but internally to convert into where we can able to use any other things varchar, varchar to text string or the pointer. See, so it's internally convert into varchar. Same thing. Suppose like I make so T1. Okay, so one more. So T. I make use of 30 size. Okay, now 30 is nothing but say data. Suppose like see the same use case. Okay, so describe. So table. Okay, see. Now what happens? See. Okay, so here 30 is the data size. When you don't mention what is the data size taking, so this is the value. Now what is this value? See 16. Okay, see 16 MB it will take. What is 1 MB is nothing but tell me 1 MB is nothing but what? So 1024 kilobytes. Okay, 1024 again see. Okay, so this is 16 MB. 1 MB is nothing but 1024 bytes. Again 10 kilobytes and 1024 bytes. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? Now tell me same value, so 16. So it's a, so in the sense like what? Okay. Okay, so describe table name. So if you don't mention any size, it take up to 16 MB default. So this question asked recently. Okay, see what is the maximum size? Okay, see where can account say 16 MB. What about number? Number can accommodate up to 38, 0. What the point? See, so this is important question. See, so where can if you don't mention what happened, default pick 16 MB size. Okay, what about number? Number is up to 38, 0. Got the point? Clear suffer. This is the question recently asked. Okay, see where can accommodate 16 MB per number, it can after maximum 38, 0. Clear suffer? So this is
So the varchar is compressed or uncompressed 16 MB?
it's a compressed will store. It will compress internally, it will store. So data, remember in Snowflake, our data will be stored in micro partition. Okay, so these micro partitions are what? Okay, see these are immutable. So before storing, what happened? It will compressed and it will store. It will store. Okay, so this is internal mechanism. See, so here question is that what is the maximum size of varchar? It is 16 MB. Okay, so what about number? Okay, so it's a 38, 0. Now by seeing this one, tell me what is scale and what is precision? Okay, scale and precision. What is the scale and what is the precision value?
38
Anyone?
is scale and precision is 0.
So scale is 38. Okay. So what about precision? So precision is 0. Okay. So this is question like simple question. Sometimes they'll ask this also. Okay. See same thing. Simple like I'm putting so 10, 2. Okay. So number 10, 2. Okay. Now what is the scale?
10.
So scale is nothing but so total number of days at 10. Okay. So 10. Okay. So what about precision?
2.
So precision is nothing but 2. After see this is the value. Okay. After decimal, how many values? So before dot, how many values expect? Before dot?
8.
Okay, see 10 minus 2, 8. So see, it's suppose like I put a simple thing, suppose like 5, 2. Okay, or else like okay, so here scale will be 5. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. So what can I do? So it will be 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6. Okay, so precision is nothing but what? After decimal, 2 digits will be there. See, 5 minus 2 will be so before dot, we should get only 3 digits will get. Okay, we'll see the suppose like if you're not able to understand, go back here. So create simple table. So YT, ID, number. So see number. So 3, 2. Or else like just 5, 2. Okay. Same thing. One more value. I number. For this one, what is the default value? For I? I 38, 0, 0. Okay. See same thing. Insert. I'm trying to populate for understanding purpose. We'll see detail. Okay. Values. Okay. I make it so values. Okay. Now what happened? So see 1, 2, 3. Dot 4, 5. Okay, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Dot 4, 5. Now tell me it will work without any issues. So now see the data. Select the star from YT. So this is working fine. Now same thing now. See, so we now why it's getting okay. Why it's getting removed? Reason?
It's precision is 0 for
So
I.
precision is 0. No, whatever. That's why it will internally trunk those things. Same thing now. What if copy the same value? Now put here. Now I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will work or not? Now?
It won't work.
So it won't. Reason?
It's crossing the size.
So see what happened. Okay, see. So number out of representable range type. See what happened. See how many we should get. We should get before decimal. We should get only 3. See 5 minus 2, 3. But what happened? We're getting more value. Got the point. So that's the thing. Okay. See here. Maximum value for before decimal is 3 only. So after decimal is 2 only. You got the point. So like this, you can able to make it. Okay. So these are simple questions. Sometimes they'll ask you to. Okay. So confuse you. Simple. Tell me how to see list of tables. Go for show tables. Will give list of tables. Okay, see control and give list of tables. Okay, now what happened? I want to see the data. Now how to see the data by using select statement. Select the star from table. So see, as of now, no records are there. Okay, see so far what we discussed. So DDL, that is create, alter and drop. Okay, so 3 things are there. So creation, alteration and dropping. Now what happened? I want to populate some data. Now say suppose like I want to take this data. Suppose like Praveen, I want to. Now what concept will come into picture? Now I want to populate some data. How to populate? Now by using what?
Insert.
Insert, no DML. Okay, see so far So definition we created, but what happened? I want to populate or I want to insert. We should go for DML commands. What are DML commands we are having? So data manipulation, manipulation language. Okay, language. So see, so data manipulation language. That is what is the thing we are having? Okay, see, insert. Tell me, insert. What are the commands?
Sir, delete, update,
Update,
merge,
delete, merge, then
truncate.
truncate. So truncate also
Truncate.
here in Snowflake, truncate is also DML. Insert, update, delete, merge, truncate. So by this, so these are the DML. I want to populate some data by using the insert command. See, insert is nothing but tell me what is insert will do.
Inserting records into table.
Okay, to the existing table. So first table should be the analysis. So see, to insert a new record where in the existing database table. So first database should be there, then table should be there. Okay, see, okay, same thing. We'll see the syntax. Okay, these are important. See, that's why. So these SQL statements are called as basic building blocks of SQL. So see the same thing. Now insert into table name. So table name. So bracket open, bracket. So column 1, column 2. So same thing. Okay, see how many columns are there? 2 columns. So this is syntax values. And how many values we should give? Okay, see how many values? Compulsory we should put 2. Okay, not 3. So see 2 columns, 2 values. So see insert into table name, column 1, column 2, values, val1, val2, semicolon. Got the pointer? So clear so far. So this is fine. Okay. Now take the same thing. Now go back here. Now see. Okay, so insert into. So we'll see simple use case. Open registration. Okay, see. Now I want to go for name. Okay, and year of birth. So 2 columns are there. So okay, see. So year of birth. Okay, so values. Now I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4. It will work. Tell me.
No.
Okay, now see what happens. So see 2 columns are there. We'll see the errors. Now see it shows error. Okay, see SQL compilation. At the time of compilation, it's showing error. Insert value list does not match column list. So how many expecting? There are 2 columns, compulsory 2 columns. But what happened getting? So we're getting 4. So it won't work. Okay, so this is important. So see insert value list. So they're expecting 2, they're getting 4. Okay, copy the same thing one more time. Now go back here. Now try to make it so 1. Tell me it will work. So 2 columns expecting 2 but got 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so it is also not correct. Copy the same value. Okay, see, put here for understanding purpose. Okay, the same thing. Now one more time. So copy the same value. Okay, see. Now see inserting name, year of birth. Now what happened? Now tell me 2 columns, 2 values will work.
Yes.
Yes, it will work. Anyone? See one more time.
No, like
No.
it's a string.
Okay, see now
It's a
what
string.
happened? Which one string?
P inverted
Okay, see.
commas.
Okay, see now what happened?
IOB
See.
is an integer.
Okay, see now go back here. See, it says numeric value. So this is important. Whenever you're getting numeric values, is nothing but say it's a what? It's a data type issue. What exactly it means? Tell me anyone. What exactly it means? What exactly it means? Important, very, very important this question. Okay, so numeric value is not recognized. What exactly it means?
It, it's
Come again.
it's a varchar. It's a varchar. P is varchar.
Okay, that's fine. What about the background? What happened?
It should be in a date format.
This is,
Like
no, see
date
what
data
happened.
type.
Okay, now we should now see, go for describe table name. So what's the table name? So COVID registration.
IOB
Okay.
is an integer.
Okay, see YOB is, so issues with what? Issues with what? Okay, see second column. Second column is YOB. YOB is what data type? Number data type. Now what we are trying to mention? So see numeric value is nothing but a date. So in number data type, okay, see other than number we are getting a value. Other than number, it can be string or one more time. So see in number data we should get only number. But what happened? We are passing string, it won't work. You see, so in number compulsory we should pass number only. Same thing. Now see, we'll go for positive scenario. Now what happened? So name I'm making of Praveen. Okay. Now what happened? Date of birth I make of 2000. Tell me to work. As of now.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
No, it
Okay,
won't
noted.
work. Like the 38 comma 0 is Like the type of number should be 38,0.
No, 38 in the sense like up to 38 length. So this is length is 4 only, no? 4. Okay, it will take 38 comma
Okay.
like what? Okay, so up to 38 digits. Okay, see, it can take this much values. Okay, got the point. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now tell me it will work. So 2 columns, 2 values it work. Important.
Yeah, it will work, but
Yes.
you are
Ah.
keeping single quotes,
So
Praveen.
now what happens? See, so see, it will throw errors. It will says invalid identifier. So in the sense like what? So when you have alphabets, okay, compulsory what we should do? So this thing we should put in a single quote. One more time. So see, this is alphabets compulsory. We should put in a what? In a single quote. Single.
Quotes.
So single quotation we should put. Okay, see, single quotation. Got the point. So this is important. You see, now before that, tell me how it's a list of columns. So select star from table name. So table name. Now what it is projecting all the columns and all. Now see how many columns are there in this table. Okay, there. So 6 columns are there. But how many values are populating? Only two values, 2 columns. Okay, so remaining 4 columns, what will get populated by default?
Null.
Nulls.
Null. Okay, we'll see the same thing, null separately. See, as of now, so we are populating only name and year of birth. So remaining columns by default, null value will be populated. We'll see the same thing as of now, understand? So remaining columns, we not will put the null value. Got a point. So this is the way we can able to make it done. Okay, same thing. So try to insert one more record. So insert into so Cowin registration. Okay, suppose like I make use of date of birth. So date of birth is what? It's a date format. Okay, now see what happened. So see, select the current date. Okay, see the current date. Now what is the format it's accepting? It's actually see. So this is what 2024 is what?
Year.
Year. Y. Okay, so what about 05?
Month.
Month. Okay, see M. Okay, see 2024. Okay, see 0513. So this is what format? So Y,
MMDD.
and DD. So same format, what we should put, suppose like I want to take this value. Okay, what is the value we should take? Okay, see. So 080522. How to make? Okay, so
DD.
2000. So 2012. Okay, see 05. Okay, see something like that. We should put in a single quote. Okay, see single quote. Got the point. So control enter. Now how to see the data basing? Select remaining values by default. What will get populated? Remaining values. Remaining values by default. It will be
Null.
null. Will be okay. So give me 1 minute. I will back 1 minute, please.
Mhm.
So got the pointer like this way. You should insert the date format. Okay, see. So and a DD. Okay. So remaining columns null will get populated. Okay. Now take the same thing. Now what happened? I will take the use case. Okay, now what happened? I want to populate, now I want to create one table. Tell me what is the name I should give for this use case? Other numbers. It's a other details you can go for. Okay, so simple thing. So create one table. So create table other details. Okay, so bracket open. Now what happened? Tell me other number is what data type?
It's a
Number.
number.
A number data type. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, what's the default size? If you don't mention
30, 0.
38, 0. Okay, same thing. Okay, so name is varchar. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. Address is also control D address.
Varchar.
Okay, same in a similar fashion. Mobile number. Okay, so mobile number is also number. Okay, what is in always follow the coding alignment. Okay, so coding alignment. Okay, put the comma. Okay, same email. Okay. Email is what data type say? Varchar.
Varchar.
Okay. Now tell me after this comma required.
No.
Now it will throw error. Okay, so this is important. Okay, see, don't put the comma. Okay, so go back here. So okay, copy the same thing. Put here. You'll see that update all things. Okay, go back here. Copy the same value. Now try to execute. Now see it will work. It will throw error. Okay, see, so comma. So see here issue is that. Okay, see when you get return, say issues before this thing. Okay, see comma should not be there. Okay, now what happened? Same thing. Now try to, so okay, now what happened? I want to populate this data. Now how to populate this data? Based on which concept?
Insert into.
Okay, see, we should go for insert command. Okay, see, insert. Okay, so insert into table name. Okay, see, table. Okay, so bracket open, bracket close. Okay, so what are the columns they're expecting? They want Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. So 3 columns. So Aadhaar number. Okay, name, mobile number. Okay, so mobile. Okay, so okay, how many values should populate? Compulsory should populate. So 3 columns. Okay, see, same thing. So same thing, try to replicate. Almost like SQL statements will be covered. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, comma. Next to go for Praveen. Okay, see, Praveen. So Praveen. Okay, so next one is that what? So go for number. Okay. Next. Tell me it's saying. Okay, so invalid identifier. What exactly it means? Simple thing. When you're getting invalid, what is issue? What is issue? Invalid identifier.
Yeah, column name issue.
Okay, so it's a space. See what happens? A spelling mistake or column. See, so mobile number, I put extra M. So it's a spelling mistake. Okay, see, it's a spelling mistake or column name is not available. Okay, or column is not available. Got the pointer? So clear, suffer? Getting the point. So see, so it's a mobile. Okay, in the sense like what is issue? Issue is that what? It's a spelling mistake or column name is not available. Not available. Clear, suffer? Able to follow?
Yes.
Okay, see, same. Okay. Now what happened? So it's a spelling mistake. Let's see, go back here and check the spelling. Okay, now it's working. Now see, remaining. Now what happened? One more issue came. Okay, again, what's the issue?
Single quotes in
Okay,
front
say
of
when you have
name.
alphabets, compulsory you should put in a single quote. Single quote. Okay, see. So this is fine. Okay, clear so far. So this is fine. Okay. Now what happened? So before that, I'll try to execute one statement. I'll explain later point of time. Alter session set auto commit. This one we'll see. Okay, tomorrow class I'll explain the same thing. Okay. Now forget about the session. Okay, now see what is the data? It says select the star from table. Now how many cards will be there as of now? Here
3.
2. Okay, so one record will be there. Okay, so remaining columns. Okay, now what happens? So remember, so this we are performing DMS. Now what happened? This DMS, okay, suppose like see the same thing. Okay, suppose like 1 second. Let me truncate the table for understanding. So truncate table. I'll explain, don't worry. Now what happened? Okay, see, now as of now, how many records are there? As of now, no records are there. Okay, take the same use case. Okay, so this is one session. Okay, see, this is the current session. Okay, now go back here, one more session. Okay, now what happened? I want to get here Covin DB, Covin schema. How can I get? We can able to drop from here. Okay, or else like what? So click on three dots. So see, set worksheet context or any what is the other way? We can mix of use database, database name, use schema, schema name. Now see, okay, as of now, no records are there. Now what happened? Now try to populate some data. Now see, okay, now how many records will be there? One record will be there. What about the here? How many records will be there? One or zero?
0.
Why?
0.
Zero.
Because we set
Because of auto commit.
No, not normally. Normally DML is what? So DML normally see what happened. So see, we are not getting this. So conclusion. See, remember what's okay. See,
the data first.
okay. See, so remember normal database. What happened? DDLs are auto committable. Okay, so this is important. Auto committable. Okay, in the sense like what? So when we perform any DDLs. Okay, see. Okay, okay. So this changes will be available in entire sessions. Okay, I'll explain. So like if this simple thing, so like go back here. Now try to create one table. So create table something like TT. Okay, so TT. Trying to number. Okay, now see the same thing. Now what happened? Select star from TT. Now tell me create is what statement? DDL or DML? DDL. Okay, now see, tell me in this session available, this table, it will be available. Suppose if you're not able, now try to add a new column. Okay, see, alter. So table TTE, add something like II number. Now tell me, so new column will be added the second position. Okay, at the last. Okay, see, this is fine. Now what about the session? It will be there or not? New column?
Yeah.
Okay, it will be because no. So DDLs are auto committable. When you perform, it will get affected in the entire database. No need to do anything. Same thing now what happened. Now in the current session, I am trying to insert one record. So insert into TT. Okay, so TT values 1,2. Okay, now 1,2. Now see what happened here. How many records will be there? Here, one record. What about here? How many records will be there?
No records.
No record. Reason is that what?
Until we explicitly commit the data.
Okay, see, conclude. Correct. Only see what happens. So see, DMLs are not auto committable. So in the sense like what? So once we perform any DML, okay, so data will be visible. Okay, where will be visible? In the current session only. So see, remember, okay, so this is important. So this is current session only. Now see what happens. So DMLs, what happens? So data will be available in this session only. What happened? Session we don't. Now how to get this data? So DMLs are not auto commit. So these are explicitly controlled. How to control explicitly? We should make of what? We should make of TCL. What is TCL? Transaction control. Like this only you should learn. Okay, see what happened background. See control language. So see language. One more time. So DMLs are called as transactions. DMLs are called as transaction. These transactions, how can I control explicitly with the help of transaction control language? That is commit and rollback. Okay. So what is suppose like what is commit here? Commit here.
Commits the saved data.
Okay, see, it will save the data permanently. Where permanently? In the database table. Okay, so you got the point. See, commit is nothing but what? It sees, suppose like I want to save this data permanently. Then what happens? So see, commit. So see, commit. So now what happens? See, we are trying to save the data permanently. So data will be available in all the sessions. Got the point. See, commit one more time. Suppose like try to insert one more record. Like this only you should learn the things. Okay, see 20. Okay. Now how many records will be there as of now here? In the session, 2 records. What about the new session? Okay, only 1 record will be there. Okay, now how to get this data here? We should permanently save this data. Okay, see commit. So that data will be now see 2 records will be available. Suppose like I don't suppose like I try to insert one more record, 100 record, 200 record. Now what happens? See, I don't want this data anymore. Okay, now we should go for rollback.
Rollback.
Okay, rollback in the sense like what? It will revert the uncommitted changes. See, simple thing. Suppose like, so say how to save this data by using what? By using Control S. So Control S, go back here. Okay, suppose like, okay, see now what happened. Okay, suppose like this is day 2. Okay, so now what happened? Tell me. So day 2. Okay, now this is what? Saving the data permanently. Now what happens? Suppose I click on this value. Okay, now okay, I change this. Now I don't want to change. Then so it's a rollback. Now how to see this data? This is like so select statement. Got the pointer? Like this way you can able to understand. Okay, see now got the pointer. So here commit is nothing but saving the data permanently. Rollback is nothing but so reverting the what? Uncommitted data. Once committed we can't do. So uncommitted data we can able to restore back. Got it? Yes, so negative points. Commit is saving the data permanently. Rollback is nothing but reverting the changes. Now see the same use case. Now what happened? So this is clear so far. Yes or no? So this is fine. Okay. Now come back to the same use case. Okay. Now go back here. Now see how does list of tables? Go for show tables because I don't remember my table name. Show tables. So control enter, or we can go for run or mix of control enter is the shortcut key. Okay. Now what happens? So take this data. Now how to see the data by using what? By using DRL, that is select statement, data retrieval or data query language. Okay. Now see it is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now in a similar fashion, go for the second record. Okay. Now see how to populate, which makes of insert statement. So insert come. So insert into so table name. So bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? Tell me. So they want. So they okay. See Aadhaar number, name only. So 2 columns. Okay. See Aadhaar number, name. Okay. Like this way you should practice and you should get confirmation. Okay. Like this way. So values. Now what happened? Okay. See Aadhaar number is what? All ones. So comma name. Name is what? Say Kumar. Okay, see Kumar. Now what happens? So data will be available where? In the particular session. What about other session? So the committed data, that is only one record will be available. Now how to get data permanently? Which makes a commit. So the data will be stored permanently. So the data we can able to access in all the session in the entire database we can able to see. Okay. Now this one. What about third record? So see, go back here. Like this only you should learn step by step. Okay, understand the concept. What exactly? Okay. Aadhaar number, name, address, and email. So Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number, name, address, name, address. Now see what happened. Okay, now see it says. Okay, so insert value list nothing but what? See, we need to get 4 columns, but we're getting only 2 columns. Okay, Aadhaar number, so 3. Same thing. Go for Raj. Okay, Raj. Okay, now same thing. Go for Karapa. So now see the same thing. Now see comma. So mail is what? So mail is okay. So Raj at Gmail. So single quotes. So Raj @gmail. Now see what happened. Look through one error. Okay. Now see invalid infer. What exactly means? It means a spelling mistake or column is not available. Okay. Now see. So see records. Okay, commit. So the data will be available in entire session. So this is fine. Go for last one. Okay. So remaining columns by default null value will be populated. Okay, see the same thing. So 666. So these are basics. If you're able to understand, you'll go for complicated. Okay, see 66 Ravi. Okay, so okay. Now remaining columns they want what? They don't want columns. Then what we can put? We can remove this value. We can put simply what? What I should put? Instead of doing the so what happened? We can okay, see we can able to do like this. Okay. Now what happened? See. Now see what happened. We can able to remove the columns. So 2 columns, so 2 values. Okay. Or else like what we can put? We can put simply null. Okay, see null. Okay, see we'll see separately one session. So null. Okay, see you can put like this also. So anyway, you can able so 4 columns. So 4 columns. Okay, see. So like this way. Okay. Now what happened? Now commit the data so that we can the data will be available in the entire session. So now see we're getting how many records? Okay, see how many records? 4 records are getting populated. So this is fine. Okay. Now question is that what? So see this is same data. So you should also prepare the same data and try. Now next first task, what they're expecting? First task, tell me. First task, what they want? Other updation name as Praveen Kumar Kadapa. Now how to modify the existing data?
No, update command.
Update command. So see, so data, how to suppose like I want to add a new column. Tell me, I want to add a new column. How to add a new column?
Alter table.
Okay, alter. Suppose like I want to change the data.
Update command.
Update.
Okay, see.
Update.
So definition will go for DDLs. Okay, so for like data, we should go for DML. Got the point? So
DML.
question will be like, okay, see, question. So data will go for DML. So definition will go for DDL statements. Got the point? Syntax, anybody remember syntax for update statement?
Update table set.
Table,
Okay, see, update.
table name set.
So
Set
table
column.
name,
Set
set, column name equal to
Equals to
value.
value.
Okay, same thing. Now what happened? Simple thing. So this is the current session. So we are performing the current session. Okay, see, update.
It is for single record. We should use where condition.
Okay, we'll see the same thing. Correct. Okay, see, update. So table name, set. Okay, see, go back here, set. So try to solve this thing like almost like all the concepts. See what happened. They want to make it to name and address. Okay, see, they want to make it to set name. Okay, so name is there. Okay, how to see list of columns?
Select.
Show.
Selector, describe table. Okay, so you can okay. Now what happened? See, they want to make it to name. Okay, see, name column. Name column. What is the name column? Okay, they want to make it to so Praveen Kumar. So same data, uppercase, lowercase, make it first so that the concept will be clear. So Kumar. Okay, this is fine. And what about the next value? So see, Praveen Kumar. Okay, and Kadapa address they want.
And address equals to.
Comma. So one more column, you can put one more column address equal to Kadapa. Now see what happened. What will happen? Tell me, Inman.
It will populate in all the rows.
All
Like
the
we
rows.
haven't. Yeah.
Okay, now see what
We need to
happens. So
check
see, so there are totally 4 records are there. Now see what happened. So number of rows, but how many rows we should update? How many rows we should
One.
ask? Only
Only
one.
one.
Okay, but what happened? This is not correct. Okay, see, so this is okay. Now see the data. Okay, now see how many records are getting. So what about the session? We'll get to okay. Now no data will get updated because so this is DML.
Because we
Okay.
didn't commit it.
Okay, so we did not commit. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me. Now how to get this data back? Now I want to
No,
go to
roll
previous
back.
state.
Use
So we should go to the
filter condition.
no.
Roll back.
Filtering
Roll
condition.
back.
Roll.
Okay, because no, this is not correct now. See, this data is not correct. Now what happened? I want to go to the previous. So the uncommitted changes, I want to revert it back. Then what happens? You go for what?
Roll
back. Got a pointer. This is the way. Okay, see, roll back. Okay. So see the same data. Now what happened? Okay, see, got the point. Like we say, we can able to understand. Okay, so you can understand the concept is that what see the data. So we don't want to update all the records. I want to update only particular record. So particular record we should go for what? We should go for filtering concept. See the same thing. Okay, see. So these are the same. Okay, we see filtering concept separately. Now see, we don't want all the records. We want only particular record. Then go for where concept. See where other number equals to copy the value and put here. So we don't want to go for all the records. We want to go for only particular record. Now take the same use case. See update. Okay, see update table name. Not only we want all records, so we don't want. We want only specific record. Okay, go for where concept. Like this only we should do. Okay, see where. Copy the same value. If update, what happened? Update for 1000 records, 1000 records will be there. But we want only specific record. Go for where concept. See where concept. Okay, now cross verify the see number of rows updated. Check the data. Okay, see data came. Now what happened? How to commit this data? Go for commit so that data will be stored permanently in my database table. Now see, we'll get data will be reflected here. Okay, see Praveen Kumar and Kadapa. So got the point. The first one is correct. Okay, what about second record? So they want to make it to so address Hyderabad and email. Now what happens? So go back here. So try to do the same change. Okay. Okay, see, copy the same value. Now what they want only particular record. Go for what concept? Go for filtering concept. Okay, see. So they want to get second data. Okay, see. Copy the value. So put here. Okay, see, put here. Okay, see. So same thing. Okay. Now they want to make what is the change? They want to make it to okay, address and email. Okay, see address. Okay. Address they want to make it to Hyderabad. Okay. They make it to email. Okay, see. Okay, you can go for email. What is the value? So kumar@yahoo.com, something like that. So these basics will take time. If you're able to understand like almost like 30-40% of SQL will be complete. Okay, see the same thing. So cross verify the same thing. Now see. So we can able to get it done. Okay, got the point. So like I'm putting different value. Okay, now tell me worker. So it says 0 rows update. So what is update statement? Tell me conclusion. Okay, update statement. Update statement. It is used to what?
Update.
Modify the existing record. Okay, see existing record in the database
Database table.
table. Okay, so first database should be there, then table should be, then record should be there. So see, so now what happened? Tell me why it's getting 0 records? Because record is not available. It is used to modify the existing record available in the database table. So first record should be there, then you can able to do update statement. So this is clear. So this is fine. Same thing. Go back here. Last one they want to make it to. So see, third one. See what about last one? So 6667 they want to remove the data. Now how can remove the existing record? We should go for what concept? I just it's not delete. Okay, see the same thing. So see delete. Okay, see now go back. Now see how many records is there in the session? In this session there will be 4 records. 4 records. Okay. What about the session? Here also 4 records because now we committed data. Now requirement is that what they want to remove the existing record. Then we'll go for delete. So delete. Okay, see. So delete from table name. So what's the table name? So this syntax. Okay, see. So syntaxes are important. So delete the data from table name. Okay, so table. Now what happened? Tell me how many cards there as of now? There won't be any. How many cards? See, all rows are deleted. Okay, now see, there won't be 0. No. What about here? So here also, here we'll get 4 records because this is not going. Now what happened? Tell me. So we don't want all the records. We want only specific. Now we'll go back to rollback. So revert the changes. Okay, see now go for particular record. Okay, see particular record. Okay, now what happens? So see, we don't want all the records. We should go for where concept. See where. Okay, see where Aadhaar number equals to last value. Got the point. We don't want to remove all the records. We want only specific records. So remove the changes. So see one row deleted. Okay, see confirmation, commit, and go back here. Now see how many records will be there. Here 3 records will be there. Okay, got the point. Clear so far. So see one more time. Okay, so delete is nothing but what? It is used to remove the existing record. Okay, see delete is okay. So to remove existing record in the database table. So first record should be, then we can go for deleting. Got the point? Clear so far? Able to understand? Now see one more time. Now what happened? First we should have Snowflake account should be there. Then create one database, one schema. Then what happened? I want to create one table. How to create the table? How to create the table?
Create table.
How to create the table by using so create. That is create is nothing but say. So create is a DDL statement.
DDL.
Okay. Now what happened? DDL is there. Next step is that what I want to populate some data. How can I populate some data?
Through DML.
Insert.
So DML. So DML is nothing but an insert command. Now what is DMLs are nothing but these are auto not Auto commutable. Okay. Now auto commutable. And these are transaction. And how to control these transactions?
TCL.
Okay, see with the help of TCL, that is committing.
TCL.
Okay, commit. Now tell me, I want to see the data. How to see the data?
Select DRL.
DRL. So DRL, that is select statement. Got the point. See, first we should have one Snowflake account, then create one database, one schema, then with the help of DRL create inserting, not auto commutable. So control this transaction, commit and select the data. Got the point. Clear so far? So this is clear so far. This is one. Now to see what happens. So see, I'll try to give one task, try to work on this task. Okay, see, go back here. Go to info. Okay, now tell me if Snowflake is mainly for what? Mainly for data migration project. Okay, see now what happened by seeing this one. Tell me what exactly you are understanding is by seeing this image. Anybody can able to understand what? See, my data source is what? Oracle. What exactly they're trying to move? They want to move their data. Okay, what type of data we are trying to move from Oracle database? What type of data? So which type of data we're trying to move? Tell me. Anyone tell me? So we are saying like data migration. What exactly data migration means? Moving data. Which type of data we're trying to move? The tables, the views, the functions, and the procedures. Okay, now tell me. So what is, okay, see from the first phase, what we're trying to move? The first phase in the data migration project. Okay, so we should remember. Okay, see phase one, what we're trying to move? In the phase one, we are trying to move tables. Okay, in the phase two, which objects we're trying to move? Phase two. Forget views. Okay, in the phase three, the logic. What's the logic? The functions, and procedures. The logics we are trying to migrate. Okay, so remember. Okay, see we are. What is the data source? Data source is Oracle. Okay, see. Data source is Oracle. Got the point? So clear so far. This is fine. Now what happened? What I say now? See daily what call will have? Will have Scrum call will be there. Scrum call is managed by which guy? It's the Scrum Master. Okay, so Scrum Master. Okay, we're having the sprints will be there. What is sprints? Tell me anyone sprint. Okay, sprint is nothing but what? Okay, see our work is divided into small. That is called sprint. Okay, so sprint will be how long it will be? So 2 weeks of sprint will be there. Okay, so for like 2 weeks. So for like 2 weeks. So for like 2 weeks in the sense like what having 13th month. So see May 13th. So May 13th. Like this only the work will be there. So May 13th to 5th. So 2 weeks in the sense like what? Friday. So 24th. So 24th. So like this only the things will be there. Okay. See now in this sprint what happened? The Scrum Master deal with the Scrum call, Agile methodology, so team members all be there. Now what happened? So this is sprint planning. I'll send the thing. Now what happened? So see requirement is that what? Okay, see. So select the star from country. Now see what happened. A table is there in Oracle database. This table I want to migrate into Snowflake. This is called as data migration. Now what happened? Now we should create one table in Snowflake with the country code, country name, and we should pop. Now tell me how to create a table. By using which concept? By using which command? DDL. Okay. So before that, what happened in Snowflake? We have one database, one schema should be there. So create table. Now how to populate this data? How can I populate this data? How can I populate this data?
DML.
So DML. Okay, so we should go for DML. Got the point of this is clear. So this is fine. Okay, so create the table. This is fine. Now what happens? So this is same thing. Now create this table. So 2 tables. So 3 tables are created. Now what happens? So see, change the column. They want to change from double is there. So spelling mistake. I want to make it to single. Now we should go for what concept? I would change the definition. Alter statement. Okay, same thing. Go back. So create one more table. Now see, they want to change the table and see. So coding standards. The client is asking, don't put like this. Makes of underscore t. Now how can I change this definition? Then I should go for alter. So definition will go for alter. Okay, see, got the point. Like this way. See, follow naming standards, coding standards. And now tell me, what is unit testing? Anybody? What is unit testing? Important.
Developer.
Okay, so who will the testing?
Developer will perform
testing. So testing done by developers. Okay, in the sense like what? So what exactly it should do? So our data is matching with the client data. That is called as unit. So basic validation estimate, unit testing. So actual testing, who will do actual testing? Which guys will do?
testing team.
QA team, quality assurance or testing team. So unit testing is nothing but what? Testing done by developers, making sure like our data is correctly getting that is called as unit testing. So it should be practice. Okay, now what happened? I'll send this task. So work on this task. Okay, see, like, okay, so create this table. Before that, no, complete this task. Which one? Okay, so this one. Okay, see, almost like database creation, schema creation, table creation. Then what happened? Inserting records, control, like committing data, then again updating, deleting, like almost like all the SQL statements will be covered. Okay, we'll see tomorrow like something happening, we'll go for truncated, all say the same. Okay, got the point? Huh?